Hello, Erica. Nancy here from Impressive SEO and Web Design. And I just want to share this video with you. And what this video is going to do is actually just give you some tips on how you can grow your business and get more customers in the door by using Google and using, the internet to your benefit. So I did a basic roofing company near me, Millville search, just to see, I was doing some research just to see where roofing companies are in the area, and I came across this here. So these guys here are actually paying Google for their ads. And what Google does to put them up here, they actually verify them first and then they sponsor them. So these are ads that you have to pay for, but I do highly recommend them because of course gets you to the top, all right, and it gets you seen right away. So next I'm going to move down to the map pack where you definitely want to be in the top 3 as well for the area. And this is where I found you. So how you get in here is by citations. So citations are your name, your address, and your phone number for your business, and you list them in different directories. So the more directories you have, the higher you are in the listing. So it looks like you're number 5 right here. So you're not doing bad at all with this. So it looks like you're listing yourself in many different directories. But you can always double that. Look at your competition. We can actually find out where your competition is listing themselves, and actually go ahead and list you on there, and even list you in more than what they have, or you could do that yourself because it looks like you're doing pretty good with that. And we want to put you in here. I did not see your name actually in the map back, all right? So you're just over here, but you're not over here. And then I noticed that you have a link to a web page, but you do not have a web page. So that can actually drive a customer away instantly, okay? So I'm going to go over a couple of different contractors in the area. So the first one is Jay Williams. He is out of Vineland, and his page is not the best page, but I wanted to show you, you know, what not to do basically with this page. So this page looks good to the eye, but it's actually not ranking them high because they don't have a lot of content. Um, they have pictures, but they're not saved with the correct keywords. So even pictures need to be saved with the correct keywords. Buyer intent keywords is what I'm referring to. So you want to save your pictures with phrases of the services that you provide. So like that, it ranks you up there when they're looking for you. And then your contact information definitely should not be all the way at the bottom. It definitely should be at the top where customers can just click and call you. Excuse me. Now, Emmons Roofing and Siding. Excuse me, I had to get a sip of water. Emmons Roofing and Siding has a great page, and they rank very well because they have a lot of content. As you can see, they have a lot of pages. They list all their services, the service areas. They have a lot of pictures. Their pictures are saved correctly with a lot of keywords. They have a clickable phone number, which is great. Like that, customers, if they're searching for a roofing and siding company and they're on their mobile, they can just click right there and give them a call. Right? They don't have to go out, they don't have to write the number down, nothing like that. Okay. So I'm going to show you a tool that I use, which is called Ahrefs, and this is what tells me what's going on in the back end of a web page, on what they're doing right, how they're ranking, and what words they're ranking for. So back again to William Roofing from Vineland. They have backlinks and referring domains. And what backlinks are basically their link on another website. So a website that does similar services to what they do. So they may be in a fencing company website, referring them back to their actual website Maybe somebody got a fence job done, and then they're like, oh, here's a picture of a, you know, of a roofing job. I need a roof. So they click on the picture and it takes them right to their page. And then they are being found for 39 organic keywords. And these are the keywords I've been referring to. So this is what they're being found for. So basically they're being found for their name. That's the top. But they're also being found for the roofing company. They're being found for, VO Tech Environment, roofing contractors in South Jersey. As you can see, that's been searched 150 times a month, and that's how they're being found. Okay, so that's definitely a great phrase to have on a page if you want to be found when customers are looking for your service. So I went to Emmons and I did the same thing, and they actually have 888 backlinks, 114 foreign domains, and 1,100 keywords, organic keywords that they're being found for. And again, of course, they're being found for their name, but then they're being found for a lot of the services that they provide. So roof ridge, hail damage, uh, you know, types of siding, all those are keywords. Okay, so as you can see in here, these are the times, how many times these words are being searched per month and how they're found. And again, roofing contractors of South Jersey, 150 times. So that could drive more customers to your door, just by a phone call. And definitely this is something that you want to consider, if you want to build a website, that would actually definitely bring more customers to your door. And these are just tips that I want you to take, use them. But I do appreciate if you can give me some feedback, because I like to work with local businesses and try to help you grow, and bring more customers to your door. And definitely I will be following up with you. So take these tips, use them, or if you like my system, we can definitely discuss that as well. All right. Thank you for your time and have a great day.